Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to schedule TikTok posts in 2023. TikTok has become a popular platform for sharing short videos and scheduling your posts. Can help you maintain a consistent presence and engage with your audience effectively. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of scheduling TikTok posts using various tools and techniques. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you do so, once you open your preferred browser, make sure to start by choose a TikTok scheduling tool. So to schedule your TikTok posts, you will need a TikTok you'll need to use a TikTok scheduling tool. And there are several options available, such as Later Hotsuite and Lumi, among others, and even there is Buffer. So choose the tool that best fits your need and preferences. Let's just go and look for those tools to compare from between them. So, an example, I will just go to URL section here. I'm just going to type later code suits and hit the enter button. So sorry, click on the first link, go here and simply here I'll type as an example Loomly, and the last one I'm just going to type buffer and click on the first link. So as you can see, we have here three tools that we can use. Of course, for you, you can go and see all of them, see whatever suits you. Let me just for you check the prices for you. So as an example, for the suits, as you can see, it's a bit pricey for a month. So there's professional, team, business, and enterprise custom. So this is the features that comes with. You can stop the video and check all those features here. Of course, you can compare them from here. And for Loomly, as you can see, the pricing will be as follow, and you can integrate with all those here, as you can see, including TikTok. So let's just go to pricing here. And as you can see, it's not a pricey like Litter Hootsuite, but as you can see, it's still a bit expensive. So you can even see the features, all the features from here, depending on whatever you want. You can even try it for free. Your free trial can start with it. But for me, in this tutorial, I'm going to use Buffer. So as you can see, if we go to pricing, we have a free plan that we can use. So we have free, essential, team, and agency. And it's not that pricey if you choose like to get a better plan. So there's just $6, $12, and this is a bit pricey. So here, of course, if we have an account, you can simply log into it. But if you don't, we can simply have to click on get started now. And of course, if you scroll down, you'll be able to read more information about us if you want to. So for me, I'm just going to click not on get started because of course, if I click on get started or login, they will just log me into my account because I already have an account. But for you, of course, you'll have to go and create an account if you don't have it. And if you have an account, you can simply go and log in into it. So once you sign in, and you'll have now to connect to your TikTok account. As example, just go and click on schedule a post. And as you can see, they'll give you this pop-up to connect a channel to publish a post. So if you click on connect a channel, as you can see, you'll find here YouTube, Mastodon, start page, TikTok, and a lot of other things that you can find from here. For us, we set TikTok. So go and click on connect TikTok. And as you can see, just a moment while we'll securely transfer you to TikTok. And as you can see, they will take me here right away. So if you have an account, you can simply log in into it. But if you don't, of course, you can always go and click on sign up to create a new account for yourself. For me, I'm just going to try to log in into my account. And login success. So as you can see, they log me into my account. Click on authorize. And as you can see, so let's just wait a bit. Great, you've connected the channel. So your channel has been successfully connected to your Buffer account. You can now start scheduling content to it. So you can create your first post, or you can even go and connect other channels if you want, not just to schedule it on TikTok. You'll be able to schedule it on more than TikTok, on Instagram, and as you can see, you saw the channels before. But the free plan will allow you to connect just to 3 channels at the same time. But you can get a better plan so you can connect more if you want to. So let's just go back to the home screen now by clicking on the icon. And as you can see from here, we'll be able to go and schedule a post however we want. So as an example now, or today, we are on Monday, which is the 24th of July. Let's say, for example, I want to schedule a post on this same day, but at 10 p.m. I can do that, or I can go and do on another day. Let's say, for example, on Wednesday and on 6 p.m. Click on add a post on the first hour. And as you can see here, you will have to go and add your video or photo, depending on whatever suits you. For me, I'm just going to add, like, as an example, an Amazon picture. Oh, okay, so we can't quite like use that type, which is PNG. They will require from you WebP or MOV or MP4 or WebM or HEIC. So make sure to simply go and drag your video here or your picture here, depending on whatever suits you. Once you do so, of course, make sure to go as an example, and as you can see, you'll be able even to select some media from integration if you want to, so from Dropbox, Google Drive, Google Photos, and OneDrive, and even in Splash. You can add some emojis if you want to. You can upgrade a plan to use the hashtag manager, or as an example, if you want to use the hashtag manager, you can add the hashtags to the description if you want to, which is what we do usual. You can add like your caption here and your hashtag depending on whatever you want. Then once you finish everything, make sure to preview everything if it's correctly. So after you add your caption, hashtag, photos, and etc., everything, you can add your emojis and etc. You can simply go and click, instead of click on schedule posts, as you can see, you'll be able to click on schedule draft. So please include the video for your TikTok, and here it's going to be the same. So you can schedule the post or even schedule drafts, depending on whatever suits you. So you can click on whatever suits you after you fill all those. But before, of course, make sure to preview and optimize everything. So before finalizing like your scheduled TikTok posts, you can preview how they will appear on the platform, ensure that the video are engaging, as you can see by scheduling draft, and ensure that the video are engaging and that the caption and hashtag display correctly. After that, make sure to, once you preview everything, make sure to click on schedule and publish. So once you're satisfied with the scheduled TikTok posts, you can hit the schedule or publish here post button within the scheduling tool, which is using here buffer. Of course, for you, you might find publish here instead of schedule or something like that. And your videos will be added to the content calendar that is here, and will automatically be posted at the specific time. After that, of course, you'll be able to monitor. So after your schedule posts are live, you can monitor the performance from the same tool. Especially if you have a better plan, you'll be able to use schedule analytics tools that you may maybe not be able to use on the free plan here in Buffer. After that, of course, you'll be good to go. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to schedule TikTok posts in 2023. By using TikTok scheduling tool and planning your content in advance, you can maintain an active TikTok presence and grow your audience. Remember to create captivating videos and engage with your followers consistently. So happy scheduling, and may your TikTok journey be filled with creative success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.